Beer Champ Barbecuers. Today we're doing poor man's brisket on the Weber Kettle with a slow and sear, and we're doing it about 275 with Woodlump and some hickory chunks we threw in there, and used Pit Boss Steakhouse rub. Smelled delicious. I added a little extra cracked black peppercorn to it, coated all sides, got it on indirect right now, and there's a tornado warning. I didn't think it was supposed to rain today. It's coming down good. Hey, it cooled down about 20 degrees. Fantastic. Not too bad. That's an awesome smoke ring. Wow, what I did with this, I cooked this poor man's brisket to 195. Thankfully, no tornado came through and ripped out this poor man's brisket, because I'd be hungry later on. Anyway, we're up on the stall. Let's check it out. As Tom Horseman would say, let's give it a look-see, and we'll decide if we're going to wrap or not. And the smell is banging. So, let's check it out. Why, thank you. Those damn thermometers. They're handy though. Anyway, I don't know. I think we're gonna let that hang out. Let's see if we can push past this stall. If we have to wrap, we have to wrap. But I like to get a good crust on the poor man's brisket. So let's see what we can do with pushing past. We're gonna maybe pump it up to about 300 degrees if we have to. We were just about 270, so I've been riding about 275 the whole time. 3 hours so far. It's only a 2.5 pound chuck roast. We'll see what we got going on here in a little bit. Meanwhile, cheers, folks. remember it was raining, tornado warnings. Wow. Cleared right up. Just stopped. I'm fine with that. It's my day off. It's supposed to be a nice day. Checking out nice. Let's check this chuck roast. Jalapeno poppers. Ooh, yeah. Some of the best things on earth. We are getting close on that poor man's brisket, and those poppers are about 30 minutes done, away from being done. So yeah, we'll pull that brisket in about 15-20 minutes, let it rest for a half hour or so, cut into it, pull those poppers, do some veg. I got some stuff to slap together, some olive oil, and some salt, pepper, garlic, simple, and roast those up real quick. Dinner time. Folks, it's that time of the cook when everything's coming together, and the chuck roast is going to have to rest, but everything is coming together very quickly. Let's check it out. Those poppers, we'll be pulling those off in just a minute, and that chuck roast, we're going to pull that. We'll tent it, let it rest a little bit, loose tent, and yeah. The smell in here is amazing, folks. Go get yourself a beer, get yourself out barbecuing. Alright, folks. Whoo! We made it through. Wow. Check this out. That's an awesome smoke ring. Wow. What I did with this, I cooked this poor man's brisket to 195, and then I seared it really quick. about 30 seconds, 60 seconds on the first side, 30 seconds on the second side. And it was sizzling and it looked awesome. So here's the results. Let's taste this. Oh, that crust. I mean, you heard it. It is crunchy, super crust. Hell yeah! The flavor is banging. Moisture. I mean, come on. That is one of my favorite poor man briskets I've ever made. That is the best chuck roast I've ever made. That's amazing, folks. Give it a try, seriously. Cook it to 195, sear it really fast like you would a ribeye, but you're cooking it a little higher, over 200 degrees. I mean, man. That's amazing. I'm just happy as hell. God dang, took a big ass gulp for that one. That is really good. And to follow it up, jalapeno popper with that queso fresco cheese with cream cheese inside, wrapped in bacon. Oh yeah. Smoked that for about an hour and a half with that chuck roast. Yeah. I love poppers. Poppers are so good. Man, it's got a little kick. I took most of the white meat and seeds out. I guess the white meat is the only thing that sends the heat, not the seeds. Capsation, they call it. Hey, either way, that sucker's delicious. Man. Guys, great cook, great weekend. Tornado storm came through. No tornado really, but lots of thunderstorms and rain. It cleared up. We've got pink skies. And a train is rolling through. Would you imagine that? Yeah, so many trains come through. Pop the top. Have a good one. Enjoy your weekend. Next week, take advantage of every last day of this summer, guys. Be over soon. Peace.